Maing odto mga guys. Lunch break sila mga guys. Dara mga guys oh. Hapit na mahuman mga guys. 7 days nilang trabaho karon mga guys. Karong adlaw 7 days nilang trabaho karon sa mga helpers, 2 helpers. Wala mi kaila. Si Marlon og si Niboy nagkuha nila. Mo na ilang agi. 2 helpers. Sige lang gauwan diri mga guys. Naa siguro yung bagyo. Halaka. Manilang trabaho mga guys. Nauga na mga guys. Mauna ni mga guys Itrabaho nila karon. Mo na ilang agi buntag karong buntag. Nagkunik anang butang anang mga corp nga kabelya. Na angle bar. Para strong siya. Tangag mga angle bar pagkupot sa haligi. Guys there is la koto. So magbuhos na sila ini kamandi. Magbuhos na sila ni kamandi ani. Hapit na mga guys. Hapit na ni. The hose is broken. Look. Stop recording.
Get in here. Rats. Yeesh. Well, that right there, hon. Hon. That. It looks like they tried to clean it up and smeared it everywhere.
You're the one, huh? Why you pooping here?
Excuse me.
Huh? Why you pooping? You poop outside. Here
Well,
on
you
the
closed the
mountain.
gate. I can't.
Here in the mountain. Poop.
I can't. You closed the gate. What?
It trapped the sack.
They trapped the sack? Hmm.
Hala pa. Hala.
Hey, you don't want to fall down the hole, hon.
Look at honey.
Huh?
Look at the riprap is start here.
What do you mean?
The riprap is start here.
It starts there?
No more riprap down.
Hon. They're tearing up cardboard. They're tearing up cardboard. Brutus and TT.
Wait, see that?
Don't fall, hon. Do not fall.
The riprap is that only the start of riprap. Look.
Mm-hmm.
No down.
Oh, I know there's no reinforcement.
There is down. Look.
No, there's not. That's not riprap, hon. That's rock.
Riprap that maybe.
No, that's rock. That's just regular rock. It's just dark rock. That's the same thing over here that one day you asked what was down in the bottom of the hole. And I said it's just a dark rock, not the brown rocks we got here. Careful, hon.
That's why they are not digging more because they are basing the riprap maybe.
They're wetting the riprap?
They are not digging more instead of the paving is digging more down. They are not digging because they are basing the riprap.
They're basing the riprap?
Yeah, the riprap. Look, they are just only the riprap.
That's the level of the.
Yes.
Yes, that's the level of the dirt when they started building it, hon.
Yes.
You're confusing me. Totally confusing me.
Instead, they dig more to more flat down the.
And that's what they dug down 1 meter, just like all these, hon. They dug down the same depth for the square parts. These pieces, with the 4 rebars coming out, those are all 1 meter down. Where they poured the cement, the rebar at the bottom, 1 meter down. They didn't stop digging for any reason at all. They went down 1 meter.
I mean the worker of engineer.
Oh.
Instead of they are digging to put down the not very high the what do you call that paving
Driveway, the pavement, yeah.
cement
Yeah.
because they are just basing that the riprap level that only there. Be scared maybe.
It wasn't level. Don't fall in. It didn't scare you at all because it's not deep anymore, huh? Climb.
No.
Climb.
No. They put more gold bar to hold.
Well, they put it in there so they don't have to fill it with so much dirt and cement. It's the cheater way, but it's common. It's very common to do this. Well, here's a good example, guys. I'm going to lower the camera down. Actually, I'm going to flip it upside down. Look how thin that cement is. That is the driveway. That's how thick the driveway is. Hey. TT, don't drink that gross water. See, huh?
Aniko,
He's eating cardboard now.
you can carry this. Aniko, we'll put this on here.
Huh?
We will put this on here.
Now, what do you want me to do?
This put here
Why?
because they gonna hard that cannot use because of look open. We need to tight here.
What am I supposed to do with the camera?
I will bring.
You can't hold it. Stay.
I want to tight this here.
Just don't want to get cement all over me. I can't lift it over there. You gotta be over here.
Hold. Wait, Aniko. You need to cover that.
You need to cover it. Hun, what are you doing?
I want to cover for.
It's not going to help. Putting it in here is not going to help. It's still open.
Okay.
I don't even know that I can pick it up, huh? Oh, shit, no. 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 Not from that height. There's no way I can pick that up. Not without hurting myself badly. It's not going to help at all.
I will.
It's not going to help at all, son. There's air inside here.
Too tight, to close tight, because if open that,
It's not going to. How
Cannot
long?
use.
How long has this been here? And it's still dust. It's not going.
make damage.
That's probably the dogs doing. None don't.
Make damage. Let's go.
I don't understand why you wanted to do that. There's no reason to.
Because
It's not going to go bad. The only way it would harden is if it got water in it, and there's not enough moisture in the air to do it.
like the leftover there and they are making their cement, they cannot use because it's hard. It's
Because it was out in the rain.
no rain. It's no rain, but because it's open, no tight. Not use. That cement, you need to keep tight when you open that.
You do know that these bags breathe, yes? They have holes. When they drop a bag of cement on the ground, huh? When they drop a bag of cement on the ground, it goes, blows out cement. It's because these bags breathe. They're not solid. They're not plastic. Great. Cement dust all over the camera. Good thing it's waterproof. I can run it underwater. Yuck. Are you having fun there, Brutus? He's now chewing up a bag that's got rocks in it. Or no, he's still chewing on cardboard. Never mind. He's still chewing on cardboard. I really don't know how they're going to get the cement off the cement. And see, that's another thing. You cover up the cement so it doesn't get wet because water will get inside the bag. You want more rocks? Huh? How many?
No! Not big. They're down. More.
That was funny. Here, catch.
More.
Catch.
More.
More?
I know. Here, I will take this here.
Hmm?
I will take this here.
I think that was
Oh,
a...
Titi! Oh, ano ka rin?
Look at that rock. TT.
And then, the white is climbing here. They gonna sleep here. The white.
Yeah. The white does like to be up on top of the bags of cement because there's king of the mountain. She can see and she's protected from things getting her. All right. The white, are you chewing on your legs again or is it just pink? Just pink. Come on, come on.
The white. Oh, Titi.
The white actually turned her head.
Do not break that. It's gonna break.
Is it dirt or rocks?
Hey. Don't
Sand?
break.
Sand, rocks? What is it?
No, they break.
They didn't break that. That was the guys that broke it, hon. What's in this bag?
Huh?
What's in that bag? Sand, rocks?
Rocks, the same.
And look at her. She's just standing there with her chin sitting on her leg.
The white is like he has more problems.
The white's a little bit psychotic, I think is the word I'm looking for.
I think very tall this honeycomb.
Very tall what? Oh, that? It's 8 meters, huh?
Huh?
It's 8 meters.
We will go there. I think 5 meters only that.
What's only 5 meters?
Going there. 5 meters. From her going there.
From here going there?
Yes.
Me to there, maybe.
5 meters. That.
From me, I think from there to there is probably 8 meters. Wall to the fence wall. I think that's probably 8 meters.
But from here going there above. Because they are working going there.
No, they'll put the tarp up when they want to, hon. You told Marlon it's 8 meters, yes?
Yes.
Okay. I wonder if they fix the poop pipe. Or if they just cemented over it. There's TT doing it again.
When I pay the last for Marlon for that, what do you call that?
The jackhammer? Yeah.
And he said it's done last today because they're done digging.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, otherwise they wouldn't have put the rebar
Titi!
in there.
Titi, karon ako ron.
She's just digging through rocks. It's okay.
Hindi ka na break that.
I don't think she's going to be able to break that. It's pretty strong fiber.
Madlungan ka, titi ka na ako.
We're going to get wet here in a couple minutes.
Hindi
Excuse
ka
me.
na dig for tomorrow or
Not tomorrow.
store that.
Oh, not Nestor.
They gonna dig that here? No.
They're going to dig what?
This because they gonna pull this. Or did that.
You know, oh, I bet you anything. One of us said the R word. And it heard it and thought we said stop. So I don't know how much we lost in the recording, guys, but probably quite a bit.
Ang mga badlungon guys, oh. Kisay mo palit ani guys. Or amo lang ni hata guys. We'll give this to people. Because badlungon.
They're shredding cardboard, and they have been. That was one of the things we were talking about for the last, I don't know,
Mga badlungon.
10 minutes.
Mga badlungon.
You know, they're fighting each other. I hope that Nestor and his son can get those out. Otherwise, they'll be here for no reason. They can't get stuff out to work, and it's so dirty. How are they gonna? They can't weld. It's dirty.
They gonna clean that. They gonna clean.
That's why I wanted everything moved against the wall before they started this. Oh well. Too late now. Way too late.
But Marlon is like no advance doing before he's doing that. Because we don't know which place he accommodate of this like this mess.
Mm-hmm.
If I know that mess is like this, I will move there. But he's the workers. He's supposed to. We will move this here because this will cover after we're digging. He did not see that.
It's too late now. Oh well. Next thing, I don't know how they're going to get the cement off of the cement to make the driveway smooth. Unless they're going to re-pour the driveway, or the carport, all this. I don't think they're going to do that. It'd be silly. It'd be nice to have a whole thing dug up and done right. So it's easy to get in and out of it, starting to rain and go. I told you we're going to get rain in a couple of minutes, and here we are.
I did not bring. Do you have? Give here. Give me your key.
Do you have a key to lock up the CR?
No, yes, no, you don't have.
I don't have a key to the CR, no.
So, you don't need to open that. Because
I don't have a key to the CR, no. Why would I need a key to the CR?
I'll come back here again. I'll smell your poop.
My poop?
Yes.
You're the one that says you're going to poop.
Cover again.
I hope that didn't bend it. Hope that didn't bend it.
Because they are thinking that it's not their job. The workers is no concern about,
It's bent.
because it's not their.
It's bent.
That's the problem of workers. Hard rock on it. Hard rock.
Look how thin the driveway pavement is. Here, jump.
If full, that cement honeycomb is very strong.
They're not going to fill it with cement. They're going to put it probably about
Half
20, I think he said 20 centimeters. So that deep?
40.
No, really? I thought he said 20.
20 is like that for the between here and here.
Oh, okay, that's what the 20 is. Okay.
That is
So
20.
40 deep, okay. That makes more sense. Definitely be stronger.
Titi is eating this honey. The
She's
flowers.
eating the flowers?
Yes, she bring
Crazy
there
dog.
and she bring there in the kitchen. The flowers.
Crazy dog.
Crazy that Titi is, look, no more flowers.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit.
Click the notification.
See? She remembers.
Click.
Bye.